welcome back to another video where I teach you guys how to budget, save, invest to be the best version of yourself and escape the rat race. Make sure you tap into SoFuAcademics.com so you can start your budget today to build your emergency savings and pay off debt. Stop borrowing. In the last video, I taught you guys all the mistakes I made that lost me a lot of money in the markets. I do not want you guys to go through, so make sure you check that video out. I have a jam-packed jumbo flare video for you guys, so make sure you guys stay locked into the end. These are stocks that you can use and buy to build passive income. NASDAQ and the market, overall market, did great today, but we see that the market was up $96. It had a nice little Doge candlestick on Thursday, 30th January 25 to end the month. And we see that the stock next day, which is Friday, futures, NASDAQ 100 futures, where you can see the markets after hours when the market is closed. And we're seeing that the market is starting to push up more momentum. It's already up $130 futures Thursday night. So we see that this company, like stocks, tech, energy, cryptos, are going to be very bullish when the market opens. It does not. Another great week to be invested in the market, as we've seen a huge dip right here. Another week to take advantage of the downside fluctuation in the markets, and then we call a recovery just because the stock ended up recovering. It closed down here. Buying pressure to quickly push the price up to close like we see in the last video, and then the next day we see the stock stays up above this level. It keeps continuing higher. Now the start of the week does not determine the story. This is how we finish the week. Bitcoin had a strong end to the week. We see that it went into 109,000, and then Tuesday fell down. Showed a sign and warning that it's trying to break up to the upside. Well, for the rest of the week, we see Bitcoin fall down. Then Wednesday, Thursday, we see a rebound. They go into the upside, and now it's at 104,000 right now. We'll see Bitcoin try to break out towards 106,000 tomorrow and this weekend. Ethereum is looking nice, sitting at this $3,230 range. Continue loading up, buying Ethereum as we see hit lower lows, and that's a good sign from a huge rally starting from November 11, 2024 when Trump went into office. Continue just buying how much that this cryptocurrency is in demand of the Web3, and it's using this infrastructure to expand apps, to decentralized apps on this blockchain technology. Solana for your mama has to continue rising, and this stock or this cryptocurrency has huge signs that it's trying to continue back to where that rally started last weekend, where it broke out to $294. And then we see that down here it's having a strong support level, this $235 range. It doesn't want to break below this nice little double bottom. So this weekend, next week, we continue seeing Solana break past, continue that uptrend that it's in. We know Solana is going to have an ETF, so that's going to be expecting news later this year. It's a great crypto, just keep buying, because whenever ETFs are announced for the cryptocurrencies, like stabilized institution on Wall Street, whenever you get an ETF, it's a big milestone. If you guys are new around here, I like to show you guys and give you exposure to things before they take off, so you can already acquire it and build up to it and do your research. I'll show you guys these top things, these news, and these crypto stocks that are going to take off before everybody gets in and they get exposure to it in the next 5 to 12 years. Grayscale just dropped this ETF to give investors more exposure to Bitcoin miner ETFs. So this one right here is called MNRS Miner. This right here is going to be the ones that mine Bitcoin. This ETF is going to be vital in the future for Bitcoin to still have supply, but most importantly have that demand where it can run out, just because often what the miners are doing to get the Bitcoin. Miners have to mine and solve Bitcoin puzzles. So this right here is going to be ETF is going to be valuable too, the more Bitcoin is valuable. So guys, we got to look at what the product is coming from. Next, a lot of activity I've been seeing is on Nike. Nike stock is at $78. I seen it to be continue buying since December. It was up here, but now we got it at a better price. When it was at 78 in December, now we've seen it drop to 70 on January 16. Currently at 78. That has a lot of potential to grow and move up to 140 and double and what you put in now. So I like to give you guys these stocks where they're low and it's been real beat up, so we can take advantage of it. The huge reward that comes back from the patience that we have in holding these and buying these stocks. Great time to buy Nike's nice little bottom. And we see the CEO, he's known for trying to make the company get back to his feet again, and there's a lot of people invested in Nike already, so you don't have to worry about it going in. CrowdStrike has been on my watch list for a minute now, ever since I seen it have a huge dip with that airline outage that happened with CrowdStrike that made the stock crash down to $198 in August till July, and then we've seen it start picking up since September, November, and now we have it at $396 right now. It's a great stock to keep buying, as cybersecurity is going to be demanded to secure these AI systems and infrastructures of criminal activity or stealing data and privacy. We will break new highs with CrowdStrike passing 400 and then going shooting up to 800 and possibly 1,000 in the next 12 years as more AI and these technologies get more faster and more useful and functional. This secureness is going to have to be needed on the networks. Next company we got Atlassian Corporation. The stock is basically the Jira ticketing system that's used for technology software to keep up with problems, communicate with different teams so you can resolve issues. They got some different products. Confluence is another one for product management services, templates like that, software as a service. So these are great companies that has a high potential of earning from different revenues. The stock is at $354. I seen it down here at $133, $138, August 24, and already times 2, and I see it going past to $500, reaching a new all-time high that it did in 2021, November 2021. And this stock is in a huge dip right now. It's a great sign of fundamentals. This is a sign that the stock is correcting. Anytime you buy it in this area right here, from now to this range, $296 to $400 to $500 is a great time to have this stock. Next we have GME GameStop. GameStop is a stock that has huge potential to get past the all-time hit in 2020, $120, currently at $27.99. And we seen that GameStop was at $34 last week and the week before. It's been in this nice little dip, but it didn't get down too long. It's called a nice correction. So this is great fundamentals as we see GameStop's in the uptrend and was not showing no signs of breaking support levels and breaking this trend. So it's been this strong for the last 3 months. So we can see the stock making good big moves to the upside as we see that the stock is having good support, and we're seeing a lot of momentum and volume pick up as we pick back up to $34. Long term, I do see this company getting more to digital assets like cryptocurrency on this NFT market and be more valuable to its consumers. Besides, AMC is another one that has a great opportunity to squeeze whenever we see AMC pick up momentum or it's going up to the upside. We just buy shares and spam them before it's too late to buy it. This stock is literally in the momentum to be in a short squeeze. As we speak, the stock is getting juiced every day. 14 cents, guys. Anything from here and below is a great sign before this stock hits another squeeze and breaks out. DoorDash is the last stock that I have on the radar as the stock is getting more expanded. Price to earnings ratio is really negative on this stock as it's earning a lot of money, and it's actually going to be getting more over time as the demand of fast food delivery pickup rides are going to be more demanding in 2025 from there on out. For those who made it to the end, I thank you. I appreciate you very much. I got something special for you. Make sure you join my Discord. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like for us doing this $50 a day challenge and the results, and I'm going to motivate you to get started on whatever amount that you can afford based off your income. I'm going to find you a career advisory motivational coach for you to get this year as the best leap to start and change the rest of your life. So guys, make sure you go to SoFo Academics, where it's the first step to building financial freedom is building a budget and having savings, emergency funds, and then using the money that you build free up so you can invest. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. See you on the next one. We out.